Hi, good morning everyone. It's Lulama. Today I'm working on a Q5. Audi Q5. This car has got a problem with the separated belt, which is a front belt. So today I'm going to be attempting to put in that separated belt. I'll see you when it's done. While working on that car on the Audi Q5, I've discovered the following. Apparently the tensioner pulley there, it got broken in such a way that there was no way not to replace it. So I'm currently making my way to a nearest Volkswagen to get a spare part. So I'll be replacing a tensioner pulley and also the serpentine belt. It's a fan belt. So yeah, I just thought I should give an update. Sure. I'm on my way there. Hi everyone, I'm back again. So this is our problematic tensioner. As you can see, it's in pieces, actually in 3 pieces. So what happened is, I believe that maybe due to its tension, maybe it was not enough or something, and it got torn apart, and the belt just came loose and it was all over the place. But nevertheless, the belt is beyond repair. So what I have on the other side here is the new tensioner that we're going to install. We're going to install this baby. It's very new, never been used before. Hot one with Volkswagen. So yeah, we'll continue to work now. Hi, it's Lulama again. As you can see, the car is running. It's running like it should. So I'm done for the day. Sharp. But I had to struggle a bit about the battery. Battery element was very low. It was very low. It was on another level. So, but yeah, the car is running. It's a Q5.